What's going on, everyone? Good morning. Just give me a second. I'm trying to send out all the links here to my Instagram and my Twitter. This is going to be my first live stream here. I have never actually live streamed on YouTube before. So this is going to be interesting, especially dealing with like any kind of financial institution kind of stuff or financial markets. Also, today's quad witching, so that's going to be a very interesting one. Let's see how that goes. All right. So let's get into it. Let's go check. We're gonna check out a couple of stocks here. Like I said, today's quad witching. I don't think I'm gonna be taking too many trades. I might not actually be taking any trades. I've never traded a quad witching, but what other way to trade it than just go right into it? So, let's go. I'm gonna go check out a few different ones here. Let me see. So I'm really liking the way AFRM's looking. 1 second. All right, yeah. So I'm really liking the way AFRM's looking. All right. I'm checking it out on the 1 hour. I'll come up here so you guys can see as well. Like I said, I just don't want to be trading during quad witching. I've never traded quad witching. I've heard some things about it, and you never know with this. This could be so. One thing with quad witching is it doesn't really respect any support or resistance lines that you may think there is. It's more of just volatile chop. There's nothing really there. So there's also consumer sentiment at 10 a.m. I don't know if that's going to be a big deal today because of quad witching. But I know with quad witching this year we have, or at least this month we have, I think it's over $600 billion of contracts that are going to be rolled over. So we're going to have to watch for that one too. Now let's just check this out here. All right, so quad witching, huh? Let's see. All I'm doing is just going to be going through. I really like this AFRM setup. I'm going to actually draw out some support and resistances. But like I said, man, like right now, who knows if they're actually going to be respected. This quad witching might be something crazy. The only way you can learn is just to try it and see what happens with it. I've never traded quad witching, but I missed this move yesterday for sure, man. Beautiful break. I mean, oh, that's alright. I was working. So now let's go. What am I doing here? Okay, yeah, we're going to set up some support and resistances here. Just be careful. Be careful today. That's all I'm saying. I'm not going to say anything else. Trade at your own risk. I'm not a financial advisor. So, like I said, trade at your own risk. Especially with today quad witching. So, I'm seeing one here on the 4 hour. Around this 118 area. But even on that break, we could see like 119.80. Let me go down to the 1 hour. So yeah, that's a little bit of a. We do have some support right here, if anything. Not much more support that area down there, but we're gonna be coming up. Maybe AFRM will have a nice move for us so we can catch it today. So the break of this 118 would be a good entry, but I try not to trade right off the bat. So if it breaks through, you might just have to wait and see what plays out for us. I like this 124 area and this 126 area as well. That's like a little, it's a little selling area. What is that? Supply? Alright, so that's cool. I don't see anything on SPY really. Like I said, I think it's because of quad witching. There's like nothing I'm looking at that really intrigues me, and it's like, ooh, this is gonna be a good part of my trading plan here, is just following it. What I really see here is a nice range. I mean, it's a decent range. What's that? Like a $4, $5 range sitting right here. So we'll see about this one. Set up some support and resistances as well though, but I do see a really heavy one here. Heavy selling at that 448 level. Another one down here, slightly at that 446. So if I do this, I'm gonna do it on my other screen and it'll just show up on the top screen up here for you guys. So I'm gonna go down to the 4 hour again. I mean, it's just like, it's been choppy literally this whole week. It's been choppy this whole week here. So we'll see what happens. Alright, so we got SPY, like I said, that I haven't really, I mean, I've made a couple bucks, but it's not much. Hasn't been moving like I wanted it to. I don't even see anything else in here, man. Like, what? Maybe around this 445, 50 area, 445, 30. I mean, it's not much, like I said. Let's go check out BA. CBA's still been in this trading range as well. The only one I'm really liking so far is the firm, but if we go check out this BA. What are we sitting in a range here? I mean, it's been a pretty slow week. Not much happened. This could be a very slow day. This is probably a bad day to just start the stream, or a good one because it's the first one. So. Tesla. Ooh, I kind of like how Tesla's looking. I kind of like this. So if I draw, I'm seeing this nice wedge right here, but it looks like it might already be kind of done. Like it's either gonna break today or it's just gonna do some whack stuff. Just gotta be careful with that quad witching, that's all. So, got a little bit of a resistance up here. Kind of around this 761 area. Not much on this either. If we break, we most likely will break down, so this ascending wedge right here is basically a pattern that's bullish, or sorry, bearish. If you see this, let me go here. If you see we had this right here, this is the pull that came in. What happened? We're forming this little wedge. So it's a continuation pattern to break down. I mean, wouldn't it be great if it worked out just like that and get a $90 move? Tesla is known to do that, but it's highly unlikely. Tesla. We'll see. Kind of like the way Apple's looking as well. Everything's looking not so hot due to quad witching. Apple's looking alright. I'll change you over here for you. It's probably gonna be a slower day, like I said, in the market. I'm not looking to go crazy or take any crazy trades, and I'm just gonna be chilling. If I see an A plus setup or if I see any kind of volume coming in, other than that, I'm not taking anything. I mean, there's nothing. Yeah, we'll see. AMD, not looking too hot either. Everything's looking sideways for this open. Facebook though, I kind of like Facebook. Do have a little symmetrical triangle coming in here, but like I said, I just want to be careful today. Might not take any trades. I will let you know, like maybe after open when I see some stuff moving. Amazon's looking a little purdy as well. Looking just like Tesla here. Come look at Tesla or Amazon. Still have that that wedge that's forming up here. I don't know. Maybe just a bearish move today. And like I said, consumer sentiment's coming out today at 10. Don't really think anyone's going to care too much about it due to quad witching. Only one way to wait and find out. That's how we find out. We just gotta wait. We got 1 minute and 30 seconds until open. If you're out there trading, be careful today. Remember, cash is a position, so sitting on your hands is also a good way to not risk any money and not lose any money. So I'll throw a firm up on here so you guys can watch that. Like I said, I'm kind of liking how a firm's looking, but we might be in this range here. We could break. So this market right now, I've mostly been doing momentum trading and just breaks. That's basically my plan right now for any trading in this kind of market, this slow market. I want to have volume as a confirmation. Definitely need volume to take any of those trades. Not much though. Oh Jesus, market's open. Hopefully that wasn't super loud. Sorry guys. I'll drop this down to the 5 minute for you. I don't know. Not looking too hot already right off the bat. Although I do like a firm already. But like I said, market's a little It's going to be very volatile. It's going to be some choppy market conditions, but it's going to be so volatile. It's going to be breaking through supports most likely, breaking through resistances, coming right back down. I mean, if you're green, take the profit. You know, take your profit when you can. All right, a firm's coming up here. I'm going to be watching a firm here on the 1 minute. If that breaks, yeah. it knows what it wants to do here. I don't know if this market knows. I'm liking how Affirm's looking. I just won one contract here. I'm going super light today. Super light. Cutting losses super quick. Taking profits super quick. Like, say no joke. SPY looks like it's actually picking up a little bit here. The volume's picking up a little bit. Ooh, firms. Ooh. Kind of like how SPY's looking. SPY. Okay, I like you. Tesla. Not doing much either. Affirm. It's about to drop. So let's see. We might catch a put position on firm here. Send this over to active trader. Kind of like this one right here. Like I said, I'm going super small. I'm going in super small. Small positions here. Be very careful. This market can change at any time. So I'll be watching. Like I said, I'm in a firm, just watching right now. I don't really like how it's moving. Everything's turning red. So that's usually not a good sign. Everything in the market here is just kind of red. Firm has a lot of selling pressure coming in. Gonna get out of that. Yeah, SPY. Look at SPY coming down. All right, let's go check SPY out. 440, 430 area. If we can't hold that. Firm might be coming back up here, or it might be just making a nice little, looks like a nice little bear flag. Just waiting and watching here. Don't go too crazy. Don't go too heavy if you get into anything. Just wait and watch. Apple is coming down. SPY, it's picking back up. A little bit of buying pressure coming back in. S&P. Tesla is still sitting there. BA. Firm's coming back up. So call for that. Whoa. That's the call. I don't know, man. Market's wild today. What are we in? 2 here. Might take a firm if we break here. It's 118 level. Might go in. Oh, we're breaking. And we are going. I do see a resistance at 119.80 level. Very nice buying pressure here. Very nice. Heavy. Let's just see if we can sustain it now. I'll come over here, I'll zoom in a little bit more so you guys can see on the 5-minute. I'm down on the bottom screen. I'm watching the 1 minute because I don't want to be in trades super long today due to quad witching. But I am watching here. Yep, here comes that selling pressure back on a firm, so be careful. Might not even make it to that resistance of that 119.80 area. So I'll show you where I entered. I entered around this 118.20. So it's almost to my profit target here. I'm about to take my profit off the table. I'm up, 30, sorry, yeah, around 30%. It's not too much. Firm might keep going here. Firm's looking kind of healthy. I don't know. Gonna take profit though. We're already kind of around that area, so I'm gonna get out. And if we do break that, I do want to see it break. I might get back in for another run. We'll see how it plays out around this area. Looks like selling pressure stepping in around this area. At 119.80. Yeah, it's definitely coming back in here. Might have a little pullback. We might even form a little of a bull flag. Oops, didn't mean to put that on the chart. If we break, we could run up just slightly. But then again, today might not be the best day to go heavy on anything. So just be very careful trading. Just be careful. That's all I'm saying. If I can start seeing some 60s print, 119.60, we might have, oh, 60s are printing, and there we go. We're going to hit that profit target, and I'm out. So I'm out. Wasn't too bad of a trade. Made 34%. I don't know why I put 2 on here. So we got out right before my profit target. So that was the buy candle. Up 34% on a firm. I'm just going to be watching, like I said. I'm not really too fond or keen of trading this market. Just recently, this whole week with quad witching, hasn't been the best. Kind of been sitting just green barely. Oh, a lot of selling pressure. Wow, a lot of selling pressure just came in. Let's see if the buyers can hold this 119.80 level. All right, while that's playing out, I'm gonna go look at some other ones here. I'll be watching it on the 5-minute up here. Let's actually, as you can see there, that buying pressure is coming back in. Whew, that was heavy selling volume that just came in. On my bottom screen, I'm watching that come through. A little bit of order flow, a little more of just time and sales, but I mean, 215,000 of a solid sell bar. So that was this one right here. Just take these off real quick. Wasn't really even a flag. But this is the candle right here that, look at this selling pressure that jumped in. Huge. Right around that level. So we might just play around here, maybe form some kind of formation. Unsure. And we'll see what happens with the breakout there. For now, I'm going to go check out a couple different things, see what's going on in the market. Checking Tesla out. Tesla's kind of just sideways. 755.40. Boeing. Got BA. BA is kind of, it's forming a nice little, looks like some kind of triangle here, but I'm unsure of trading on today because I've never traded on a day like this. Maybe even forming some kind of wedge. I'll throw it up here on the screen on this one right here. Bring it down to the 1 minute so you guys can see what I'm seeing. Maybe some kind of wedge, we'll see. Market's stepping up a little bit, getting a little hot. A little bit of a gap here on Boeing. Nothing crazy that I'm looking at. Oh, there goes BA right there. Decides to run a little bit. Firm coming back down. let's go check out. I was looking at AMD. AMD, wow, AMD did dip down a lot. It kind of looks like we're making some kind of cup and handle on AMD. Does it look like that on SPY? It kind of looks slightly. No, not really. Not on SPY. SPY, we might be having a wedge here forming. So the thing with quad witching, so what quad witching is, it's basically four days and four. Let me pull it up. Yeah. So quad witching refers to the date of which stock index futures, stock index options, stock options, and just single stock futures expire all simultaneously. Like this is the Friday. This is the 4 days, or sorry, the Friday which has four. Gosh, I can't think right now. It's hard to talk. So on Friday, which is today, this is the date where I guess they're derivatives. 4 derivatives expire all at the same time. So what they have to do is people who are holding them as like hedge funds, big and financial institutions like that, they have to roll them over into another date. So you have to be careful later on in the afternoon. That's kind of when it starts. Well, I mean, it could start any time of the day, but most of the time that I've been seeing and have read and learned before I actually came into quad witching is that it starts, around the afternoon when people start calling and telling those hedge funds, hey, we want to sell this to roll it over to this sort of stuff. They kind of just want to get it done and over with at the end of the day so they can go on the weekend, enjoy their weekend. I don't know though. So I'm looking at a firm. I kind of like that. Whoa, SPY broke down here. SPY's coming down a little bit. Now that could be a play. I'm just, I don't know. I'm unaware of how it plays out usually. I don't have any levels below there either. I didn't think to make any. Oops, sorry. SPY, hello. Let's go look at Apple. Yeah, Apple broke down there a little bit. Looks like we're having a nice little downtrend day. Nice trend day so far. AMD looking the same as always. Juicy. Amazon kind of just playing sideways. Tesla's actually up a little bit, up about 60 cents at the time right now that I'm looking at it. Seeing some volume come in on the selling side here on SPY. Whoo, baby. Consumer sentiment is going to be dropping in about 10 minutes. Okay, Tesla's going to the moon right now. Wow. Literally have a 1 minute candle that's $2.20 on Tesla. Firm. Still looking a firmy. Caught that nice little move on a firm. I did like that little play. Nothing else looking like anything I want to trade currently. BA is looking nice. It came back and retested the top of that triangle, or that wedge, whatever it was forming here. SPY though. Might take a small position in SPY. I'm just trying to add my levels real quick on it so I can see how it looks. We have a... there's some room down the 443.30. Let's see. I mean, not much after that. Like, a little bit of room down to 442.95 area. Yeah, I may take a small little trade in this. If I see selling pressure break here. If I do, I'll be in. If not, won't worry about it. Like I said, I'm not too keen on trading today, so I'm not out there trying to force any trades anyway. Oh, we got a solid, a nice buy candle here. Okay, I kind of like the way SPY's looking. Might have a little pullback to that 443.30 area. I'm in on one contract, super small. Currently up 5%, 6%. I'm probably going to take profits here right at that 440 level. And I'm already out. So I made quick 7% on that, actually 8% technically. So we're up pretty good for the day. I got in pretty quick when it broke here. I got in right about here and then exited right at that 440 area. Like I said, I just want to scalp super quick today. That was about a 20-cent move. Nothing crazy. I mean, it probably could continue, but I said it multiple times today. I'm going to say it multiple times more. I don't know how it trades today, so I'm going to definitely try to slow down on the trading and not take crazy position sizes. There he goes, though. It's probably going to break down all the way to that 442 or probably 443 flat. If we can break that right here. Firm coming back down. Firm, we might have a nice little pullback. I don't know if I would be buying the dip on a firm. I don't know if I'd be buying the dip on any of this right now. Ooh, wow, SPY. Really nice buying pressure coming back in. Excuse me. But looks like buyers might not be able to hold. We'll see if they can hold that 443.30 level. BA's not doing too much right now. Tesla is actually up $2.60 currently when I'm looking at it right now. Looks like it hit 764 or 761.04. Not bad. Apple's still coming down. Looks like we're on a nice solid downtrend on Apple here. SPY. It's kind of getting spicy right now in SPY. SPY's getting spicy. Amazon currently down just $1.10. SPY's looking a little spicy. Let's see. AFRM came back down here too. SPY might take another it's kind of already breaking down. I was literally just gonna say I was gonna take it down to that 443 flat area, but it looks like it's already kind of going. Not chasing anything, just watching. Don't chase. Wow, BA's coming down hard too. There's actually not that much selling pressure on it. Surprise. So I might be ending this live stream here in a couple minutes. Like I said, market's not doing anything crazy. I do like how firm's moving though. Solid. I mean, what's that? 6 candles right here. Nice price action. Let me go check it out down here. I'll tell you. AFRM. I don't know. Looking kind of nice. Looking nice. And ooh, it's a spicy one too. I mean, this, I don't know. Oh, let's go check the 5-minute. Let's check the 5-minute on a firm. Probably coming down to the EMA. Yep, bounced right off that 21 EMA. 21 EMA, and we have this support level, but this is a solid red candle on the 5-minute. And I have a sell signal on the 5-minute. So we might break on the 1-minute back up to that 119 area. I don't know, honestly. This doesn't look like anything I would touch currently. It just looks nice. Looks like if you were in, definitely made some money. See how these buyers are trying to hold this level here. Spy's looking nice. Might have found a nice little bottom, or it's just trying to range back and forth all day, trying to play with us and play with our minds here for quad witching. I mean, that's just normally what it does anyway. Tessie, looking good. Apple, trying to come back. AMD still kind of down right now. It's playing at that bottom, making a range down there. Amazon literally has been in a range all day since open. It's been in about a $13 range. Apple, yeah, I said Apple. I'm kind of liking how SPY's looking too. Nice buying pressure coming back in on that. Let me check that out actually. We'll see how it plays out. It's hitting that 9 EMA currently. Might even just be a little flag that's forming here. Ooh, yikes. Got hit on the sell pretty hard. Oh, AFRM. It's probably going to come up and test that 119 level like I said. At least these EMAs it's probably going to try to test. And then we'll see what it does, which it tried to test though. Yeah, it did try to test that 9. Spy, 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 spy. I spy. I spy a nice play on spy. Kind of like it. Might take a quick little scalp here. I don't know though. Looks like we're kind of bottoming it. Yeah, we might be bottoming out here. I don't know though. Market's coming down. Oh, AFRM. Holy hell. Okay, I like the way AFRM's moving. Should have got in on that. God. Wow. I will say AFRM. That was a very solid candle right there. Still watching SPY though. I think I'm about to play a quick scalp down too. Hopefully that 443 flat. I just want to see some more selling pressure come in. Because it looks like buying pressure is coming back in currently. We got BA, we got Amazon. Amazon's kind of playing around the levels here. Oh, so my stop order just got filled on SPY. So I'm in. Wasn't really paying attention to SPY. Oops. So I got filled at this like 21 area. Let's see what happens here. And there goes that 443 flat, like I said. Oh, couldn't get out fast enough. Uh-oh. So, there we go. I'm filled. 443.09. So, what do we get here? That was a 112. That was probably only 3.5%, 4%. I wasn't planning on taking this trade, but I didn't cancel my order. Like I said, I'm not really used to live streaming and trying to talk and look at all these at the same time. It's kind of overwhelming at first. But hey, I'll take it. Still hit that 443.03. I bet if we break that 443 area, we might just send it back on a downtrend because we might hit some stops. So if you ever see anything like this where if you're looking at a firm up here, we have this nice downtrend, right? we have this little pullback. So people might be trying to buy in here. What happens is they might have set their stop right underneath one of these candles. It's usually why like moves so quick. It's because it hits the stops. I mean, it drops $1.10 in under a minute. Just actually more than that in this whole candle. But I'm trying to think about where the stops were hit, and that's usually what happens and why you see stocks move so fast. But currently, with quad witching, it could be because someone was like, "Hey, I want to sell this and I want to roll it over." Ooh, all this talking's making my mouth dry. So I think I'm gonna end the stream here. I don't see much more that I want to be trading right now currently. If you want to stay up to date, you can go follow me on Twitter. I usually post on Twitter what I'm doing if I see anything else. But for now, I'm not looking at anything. We'll just see how quad witching goes for the day. I think I'll call it a weekend. So I hope everyone enjoys their weekend. You know, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that like button as well. It kind of helps out with the algorithm. And leave a comment. Let me know how you feel about maybe live streaming like this, if it was helpful. I do like to hear from you guys. Yep, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys did enjoy. Before I go, I just want to say I did take a trade on a firm. I'll let you know the trades I took. So I took two contracts on a firm. We went to 2 more contracts on SPY, but they were separate orders. One was at 9:53, and the other one was at 10:02. So, not 10:02. Sorry, that's 10:04. Super small. But those are the trades I took. My first contract on a firm wasn't the best fill, so I kind of played it and was going to cut it, but then it started coming back up and I saw some buying pressure. So if I come over here, I'll show you. I got that first fill around this area when we had this 9 EMA crossover, some buying pressure. The second fill was up around this area, which was that 118.20. So I had 2 contracts that I averaged into, and it ran up. It was about a 30% gain. And then the other ones were on SPY, which you guys just saw. So, hope you guys did enjoy this. And hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll be doing this as much as I can. Next week I'll be back at it as well. So I hope you guys did enjoy. And I will see all of you in the next video. Peace!